This video will teach you how to create an Acapela My Own Voice account and how to start the voice banking process. The first step is opening up your internet browser. Acapela recommends most browsers except for Internet Explorer. In this video, I'll be using Google Chrome. From there, I will go into the search bar and type in Acapela My Own Voice, A-C-A-P-E-L-A. I'll click on the first result, which is My Own Voice Acapela. I'll go to the top right corner and click on Start Now. The Start Now page will guide us in creating our own My Own Voice Acapela account. We'll click on the Purpose of Usage box and select Medical. We'll continue to fill out the rest of the information required. If you're working with a funding source or partner, you can select the funding box and choose your partner. And if you're not working with a funding partner, you can select NA. Here, you'll select the language in which you want the account to be created in. Lastly, you'll type no to the robot question and then solve the math equation and click send. Once you click send, you'll get a confirmation saying you'll receive an email from Acapela with your login credentials. Here's what your email from Acapela will look like, containing both your Acapela username and your password. Now that you have your credentials, you can go back to the Acapela My Own Voice page and click Login. Here, you'll enter your Acapela username and password, which can be found in the email sent to you by Acapela. Now that we're logged into our Acapela account, we'll go to the top left corner and select Record. The Acapela voice banking process is completed using the MOV online recorder. Before we continue the video, it's important to note that now is the time to plug in your external microphone into your computer. It's also important to note that whenever you open the Acapela Recorder application, your external microphone must be plugged in ahead of time. Once you've plugged in your external microphone, you can select Launch underneath Online Recorder. Your login credentials can be found in the email previously sent to you by Acapela. It's helpful to select the Remember Me box for future logins. Once you've entered your username and password, you can select Login. If it's your first time using the Acapela online recorder, you'll be presented with a tutorial video. After the video has been played, you'll be asked to confirm the recording language selection. Then click Next. You'll then be asked to confirm the recording device selection from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected your microphone, select Confirm. Before you begin the Acapela voice banking process, you're provided an opportunity to add custom messages to one's recordings before you complete voice banking. It's important to note that the option to add custom messages is only available before you send your final recordings to Acapela to create a synthetic voice. If you want to add custom messages, select the Add button outlined in red. There are three options to add custom messages. The first is to add preset phrases. Acapela provides one with 250 preset phrases that can be recorded to add to one's banked voice library. If you would like to add the preset prompts, select the icon outlined in black titled Yes, Import These Sentences. The second option is to add your own phrase or phrases. By clicking on this option, you'll be brought to a page where you can type in your own messages. As you can see, the black box outlines the window where you can type in a custom message. Lastly, you can also add your own .txt file which you create on your computer and can import to Acapela. As you can see, the Imported Lines window allows you to choose a file from your computer to import into Acapela. It's important to note that when you add the phrases following any of these three methods, they not only contribute to the raw material used to create a custom synthetic voice, but if you type the exact phrase into your text-to-speech engine, it will speak out the recording and will not be in synthetic speech. After you've added the optional custom phrases to your Acapela account, you'll then be required to calibrate the microphone, which will be covered in the following steps. Before we begin the voice banking process, we have to calibrate our external microphone. We'll do this by selecting the Next button and then remaining quiet until the record button turns red or we hear the beep. Then we will count to 4 in a normal voice and at a normal pace. The following clip will demonstrate this process. One, two, three, 4. Once your external microphone has been properly calibrated, you can begin the voice banking process by selecting the next arrow. There are a total of 50 messages to record to complete the voice banking process. To record each message, select the microphone button in the middle, wait for the 3-second countdown until you hear the beep, then recite the message and press the microphone button again to stop the recording. The first 3 recordings will automatically be played back to you to make sure no sounds or words were cut off at the beginning or the end of the message. You are able to re-record any of the phrases except for the last one. The following clip will demonstrate the process for recording a message. A choice of shoes to wear. A choice of shoes to wear. You'll notice that once you finish a recording, it will automatically move on to the next message. If you want to re-record the message or go back a message, use the back arrow. If you are unsure what the message says, select the headphone icon to hear the message read aloud. To complete the voice banking process, you'll need to record the rest of the messages. Here are a few things to keep in mind when completing the voice banking process.